Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Yes guys, yes, when you look at the countertop, immunity booster, cold, flu remedy, lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol, yes, add lots of fiber, lots of vitamin C. Oh my dear Lord, you name it. Good for digestion, a good detox, good immunity booster right here, guys. Gonna rid your body of all parasites, and if you're nauseous, good for vomiting, headache, pain, help clear up all those mucus and phlegm, build your immune system at the same time. Turmeric, lots of antioxidants. My ginger, my garlic. Oh my dear, good, lots of health benefits right here, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend up all of this. I'm not adding no water, guys. A little bit of twist to it now. I'm gonna use 1 lemon zest in it. All right, grate all of this, wash it good, and then I'm gonna use 1 lemon juice. You can use lime. If you're Jamaican, you don't have no lemon, use 2 to 3 limes or 4. All right, I'm gonna add some garlic. I'm gonna strip them off, and my ginger, I'm gonna wash it and cut it up. You can make more or less. I'm using half of this onion, and I'm gonna use 1 clove of garlic. This is gonna stay for our next time. I use the big part of the grater to give me this lemon zest because I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, so we're gonna add the garlic, half of onion, ginger, few pieces of ginger, lemon zest, 1 lemon zest. I squeeze 1.5 lemon juice here, but you can use 1, it's up to you. Now guys, I'm gonna put about 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. I'm gonna put 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. You can put a spoon, but 1/2 teaspoon is good for me. You can use the powder, or you can just use the whole turmeric. And I'm gonna use about 1/2 cup of honey because I want it to blend it. You can use less or more, it's up to you. With this, guys, you don't need any water because the lemon juice and the honey, that's what you're gonna use to blend it together. You wanna blend it really fine till it becomes puree. All right, guys, can you see that? Really fine. And I'm gonna put this in a jar, and what you want to do, guys, you just want to take about a teaspoonful once or twice per day. Good immunity support. Yes, you want to make sure you blend it really well. Okay, and then I'm gonna pour it in my container. After, you just want to cover it, okay, and you want to store it in the fridge. Take a spoon a day to help to rid you from all flu and cold symptoms, build your immune system, packed with lots of health benefits, antioxidants. Guys, this is super awesome. All right, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys. This is also a detox and weight loss also, guys. Super healthy. Have a good day.